All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of Breezy Fishing & Co. My name's Bronson, and we're going fishing today, man. I've been coming out to this little canal. I came out a couple times. The other day I caught some catfish. I have one clip of a catfish, actually, I can show you guys right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. I couldn't even put my dang pole. Oh, what is it? It's another catfish, ain't it? It's another catfish. It's pretty strong, whatever the heck it is. Oh, the heck is this? It's gotta be a catfish. It is fighting so hard, dude. They fight on the light tackle, dude. They don't play. Freaking hard head. He almost took me into the thing. Trees, dude. You little guy. That's actually a decent one. That's not a bad one. Don't you do it. If I can get him unhooked without. Alright, dude. My bad. I didn't know you was gonna pick it up so fast on me. Second little hard head. I could probably eat this, but nah, I'm good. Later there, bud. Oh, he's right on the bank. He don't know where he's going. Yeah, and then the other day, like a few days ago actually, caught a jack. And I'll throw that clip in here right now because it's freaking awesome, dude. It was my first ever Jack Crevalle.
I felt a great disturbance in the force.
Come on. Got me one, I think, guys. Am I recording? Oh, yeah. Let's play him a little bit. Oh, this thing is actually kind of big, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I finally hooked into one. Little jack. Nice, this is my first ever jack. Oh. If I had a net, man, I wish I'd have brought my net now. I'm gonna have to tail grab him. Nice. This is the first jack I've ever caught. Nice. Let me get my pliers. If I can find them. If I can find my pliers. Oh, I'm so tired and hot and sweaty, guys. It's like, finally, I caught me a jack. It took all day. Whew. Can y'all see him? All right. First ever Jack Crevalle. Not a bad guy. Make sure he's nice and focused. Later, bro. Oh, that was sick. What a fight those things put up. Alright, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed those clips. I know it's like already, halfway into the video, and I haven't done any fishing yet, but we're going to do it right now. Got the little swim bait on with the, red jig head. It's worked in the past for me, and hopefully it works out here. Maybe we can catch a snooker on it or something like that. You never know. I'm also going to see if I can't catch some live bait, so I should probably get on that. You want to play with me, cattail? Good night, dude. These things are stronger than freaking steel, and then it just falls right off. Nice. Well, let's see what the shrimp can get. I got a drop shot. Same rig I was using the other day to catch that hard head catfish on. Let's see what happens. Oh my goodness, already, right when I drop it in there, I'm already on. And it's got to be a catfish. They're probably, oh my god, they're probably thick in here, dude. Whoa, that's actually a decent size. How do they know? Oh no. No. It's a saltwater cat. Of course. Gotta get my pliers really quick. Then we assume the position. I like to grab them like this. If they don't twist and shout, And the drop shot does not make it. Alright, get a nice firm grip on them. I still even got my shrimp. I'm gonna let you have it though there, bud. How about that? Here, eat it. Eat the shrimp. Okay, you don't want it? Fine. That's how you want it? Okay. Yeah, there he is. Another hard head. I'm pretty sure it's a hard head catfish. Yeah, I can feel the hard head. Yeah, they're hard. Later, bro. Don't come back, please. They're not as slimy as like a bullhead, which is crazy. I thought they would be way slimier. Dude. Oh. Oh, hell yeah. Dude, is this a big bass? Oh, it's a jack. Nice jack. Oh, nice. Dude, I don't know if I needed the net, but, bro. What in the world? That thing blew up on it, bro. That was sick. I'm so glad I turned my camera on. All right, hold on there, bud. This thing smashed it. My second ever jack, dude. Look at that. Gnarly, hit the topwater. He's really ready to go. So I'm gonna let him go. Thank you so much for biting. Later, dude. Whoa. My first topwater blow up in a while. Alright guys, well that was a sick last catch before I leave. I did not expect that at all, man. I was just kinda winging it with the topwater. But hey, paid off. Nice little topwater jack. It's time for me to get the heck up on out of here, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I know I enjoyed making them. I enjoy fishing. I just enjoy being out and doing stuff, you know? So yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. See you on the next episode, all that good stuff. Hey, you might catch me in your comments, man. This is Breezy Fishing and Co. out.